Welcome, my friends, to this week's of exciting AI news. There's been really a lot of stuff going on recently within the world of AI, and also some things I want to mention about e-commerce. So let's jump right into this week's of news. One of the biggest things this recent week was the launch of Midjourney version 6. So it's now accessible, and I really like that. What I see, you can now, as you see in this image, you can create uh, the names in the pictures, like Ghost Star in this example. You just put some quotation quotes on the word you want to use in the image, and actually the pictures and the images you can create look crazy good now. And they also added a lot of flexibility into the making and creation of the images. There are so many things you can do, so I will actually break down Midjourney version 6 from my point of view in an own LinkedIn post that you can read more deeper in this. But higher quality of the images and text are the biggest first impressions that I have, but it's a lot more to it. Okay, video then. Midjourney said that they will release a video during next year. But what's happening now? Runway ML, they have released some exciting new features in the background without a big bang. But still, you can go in and try Runway ML for free and elaborate it. And it's really one of the leading video platforms right now. So that's the one I use the most. But you heard I talked about Pika Labs, and they have now actually released version 1, so you can access it on pika.art. You can go in and just sign in with your Google account or similar. It takes just a few seconds, and then you can create videos for free. So that's quite impressive. And you can extend the videos up till 16 seconds. So I created this raccoon video that will meet a friend and take a cup of coffee. And I extended the video as much as I could. And this is the result that I got. And I'm excited to see how you like it.
AI News, Ghosters got that Drake flow, bringing you the stories.
I don't know what to say. But at this point, it's starting to look really good. And there are a lot of tweaks you can do within the uh, Pika program. So it's really promising. And what I see, the little I have tested, is that it's really good at cartoon stylish. But you can, of course, do photorealistic stuff too. And but I would say, as you hear on the version, it's number version 1, so it will get really much better from this point going forward. So video is one of the areas that I'm most excited for in 2024, because we have come a long way the last year, and the progression is really fast. So I really think we will see amazing things during next year in this area, since it's evolving so fast. But at this point, today in December, uh, there are quite some tweaks you need to do to be able to get it right. So you need to put a lot of effort and time into the video to get them as you want. And even if you have tools, it's not so easy to steer the video. Where it works best today, I would say, is for short clips with a few seconds, where that's where it really shines at this date. Okay, into logistics now. You have this big company in the United States. It's called Aurora, and they are making a lot of progress within self-drying trucks. So what they have do is they have call it they call it full field featured within self-drying trucks, or if you rather want to say it in another way, you can call it level 4 automation trucks. This means They are now rolling between Dallas and Houston, which is a heavily trafficked way in the United States with a lot of goods. They are driving now by themselves, but at this stage they have persons behind the wheels just to secure everything. But they are aiming to roll these trucks without any drivers inside the trucks during 2024 already. So this is really exciting to follow Aurora and its progress, and they are setting up how this should be done in a safe and secure way. 2024, I predict, will be the year where a lot of e-commerce companies will go all in on AI. And one of the first things they will use this in a large scale, I guess, is product images and videos. Uh, Patrik Hedelin talked in an interview at Swedish magazine The Day's Industry, or Dagens Industri in Swedish, about that e-equity, a big firm focusing a lot of e-commerce companies, and now also focusing on the potential with AI. They will invest uh, over 2 billion in AI focused companies within this area. And he says, sorry for the Swedish here, but he says that the usage of AI will be uh, the thing that points out the winners among the e-commerce companies the coming year. And he talked about an example, and the first example he mentioned is product pictures. That e-commerce companies can save a lot of money with creating photorealistic or just photo environment pictures for the e-commerce websites, because you can shorten the time for the production of the images, and you create a lot of quality images with the new tools, especially from Google as Amazon, as I talked about in earlier episodes on AI News. Uh, so this is really, really exciting. You can also create models for your product pictures, as I also talked about earlier. So it's exciting to see that more people are seeing this coming. Two news from Nvidia, the company, is that they released a new AI software for the eye contact. This means then you record video and stuff. It can all The software they provide makes it look like you always look in the camera, even if you're looking around yourself. We have seen this before during the year, but Nvidia has also released that functionality now. Another big news from Nvidia is that they want to compete in the cloud computing world, since a lot of the competitors are building AI chips now by themselves, including Microsoft, Apple, Google, and OpenAI. So Nvidia now wants to build their own cloud, and it seems they're doing this on top of in a collaboration with AWS, Amazon's cloud to begin with. So they provide software in the cloud where you can use a lot of AI tools and generative AI tools to real cost effective, cheap with NVIDIA's latest chips and technology. I also have three news regarding AI from Amazon. And the first thing is they have included the possibility to use Gen AI to have better product descriptions and also better product titles to improve the search findings and the search effectiveness when you selling your products online. This makes it faster and easier than ever before for sellers on the platform to work with a lot of product information around the products. Another big news is they released in their product ad console in Amazon more effective ads, meaning you can have more rich visual ads and also more engaging ads, so you get better ROI of your ads investments. Not only that, you can save a lot of time when you produce a lot of ads for different products and purposes within the Amazon platform. Um, in the middle of this show, I want to also now let you know that my own book, Backstage Commerce, now is live on Amazon. Talking about Amazon, so you can find it. You just search for Backstage Commerce, and then you can find it there in a list. And you have it available in several different formats, such as read for free with an Amazon subscription, or the ebook. You have the paperback or the exclusive hardcover, which is the one I recommend, of course. Just kidding. It's the same content regardless of the format. But you have some really cool models you can use when working with AI too in this book. And a lot of examples and ideas which you can start working with already today. Amazon also released the new Palm payment. You can pay with your flat hand, and they say it's 99.9999, a lot of nines there, to more secure than any other payment system in the world. They say it's even more secure than scanning both your iris in your eyes. That's how good this method is. They already rolled it out in over 500 stores where you can buy with this method, grocery stores in the United States. And you can also find it over 100 airports rolled out. And they say that they will release this payment method further during next year. The payment method's name is Amazon One, and I'm sure you with a high five so can buy the Backstage Commerce book too with that system. Now I'm going to talk about AI makes us communicate with animals, and not any animal, it's with whales. Thank you for the tips from my friend Casper at Strong Oak. And the reference on this cool news is from earth.com. This new breakthrough, with the help from AI, is from a research team with a new communication method they call SetEye, which is a research project. They managed to simulate and imitate the communication system that whales uses to communicate with each other. So they can socially interact, and they can also communicate with different sounds and songs. And they could recreate these sounds. So during a 20-minute long communication dialogue, they could have this dialogue with sending whale dialogue out from a boat, and the whale was responding on every signal they sent that they have imitated. So they hope that they can use this to both learn to communicate more with whales, but if they break this code barrier, so say, they want to use these research findings to be able to also communicate with terrestrial life out in space in the future. So we will follow that. And the whale's name is Twain, but I'm not sure what was said during the communication. I don't know. I don't think they have an answer on that yet, but still, it's a real breakthrough that it works anyhow. I feel like this year started off with the hype with OpenAI and Sam Altman behind the wheel there. Here are some tweets during the year about how AI tech is going to change the world. So I thought, why not end the year with OpenAI AI as well? Stephen Heidel here says, brace yourself, AGI is coming. And he comments the tweet from John Leike here, and who says that they are very excited at OpenAI because they have released this security framework that will secure effective development of the next generation of AGI. So let's see how far we will come during 2024. One thing is sure, version 5 of ChatGPT will be released some time during next year. And that was everything from AI News this week. I hope you have a really happy new year, and I'm so thrilled and excited to see what next year will bring us within this area. Over and out. Take care of you. Bye.